There's a saying that an Englishman's home is his castle. Many view property as a key lifetime asset, a strong pattern backed up by the massive uptake of mortgages. More than 2/3 of Britons own their own properties, a figure representing one of the highest home ownership rates in the world. So you'd think the UK's population would know a thing or two about mortgages. After all, nearly all purchasers use home loans. But new research shows that many mortgage holders have no idea what sort of mortgage they have and don't understand the difference between a fixed and a capped, a collared and a tracker. Some don't know when their deal runs out or what it costs them. A new agency focusing on helping the public understand their finances believes such ignorance leads to a vulnerability. Simon Catty from the Consumer Financial Education Body says the research is a real matter for concern.
People who are less educated about their mortgages are of course more likely to be sold products that are not suitable for them, and that again is part of the reason for our campaign, is to try and to help people understand actually what might be right for them. By doing shopping around, by doing some research through our Money Made Clear website, we'll hopefully give people the tools and information and knowledge to then not get missold a product going forward.
One study showed that nearly a quarter of mortgage holders had no idea how much a 1% increase in interest rates would make to their mortgage repayments, and on top of that didn't really care. But in East London, mortgage holders had it all in hand.
Yeah. Do you know what sort of mortgage you've got?
A repayment.
Do you know whether it would affect you very much if the interest rate went up by 1%?
Yes.
Could you say it in pounds? Would you know? No, you don't have to tell me, but would you know in pounds?
Roughly, probably about £100.
And do you know when your present deal runs out?
I've got another year.
You know what sort it is?
Yes, I do know.
If the mortgage rates went up by 1%, would you know how that would affect your finances?
Yes.
And do you know when your present mortgage deal comes to an end?
It comes to an end, I think, end of this year. By then.
You know everything about your mortgage.
More so.
The Consumer Financial Education Body has started a website full of financial advice and information. They hope to become a familiar name in the UK so that anyone thinking of embarking on a new mortgage will make a point of calling them first, so they understand exactly what they're getting into. Penny Tweedy, Reuters.